Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, we are tackling a full living room reset. Honestly, the clutter has been piling up over the last few days, and I went and did some shopping yesterday, so everything is everywhere. And I just realized my head was starting to feel as messy as the place. There's nothing quite like taking an hour or two to completely transform your living space. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's get this place cleaned up. I actually find mopping without carpets more therapeutic than deep cleaning other things. You just get to clear everything out of the way, put your head down, and watch the room transform stroke by stroke. When life gets busy and my schedule is packed with work and running around, taking 30 minutes to reset the floor is a way of resetting my mind. A clean space instantly brings down my stress levels. The trick with bare floors is always changing out the water so you're not just pushing dirt around and getting right into those edges and corners where dust likes to hide. I love how open and cool the house feels when the floors are bare, especially on hot days. It just gives the whole living room that airy, fresh atmosphere. Once the mopping is done, I love opening up all the windows, letting the breeze in, and watching the floor dry down completely spotless. And here is the finished result, fresh, clean, and completely reset. If this video gave you a little boost of cleaning motivation today, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lifestyle, home resets and vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.